Want to make this homemade lasagna? Let me show you how. You're going to salt your boiling water and add your pasta. And now we'll start on our ricotta mixture. Ricotta cheese, cream cheese, egg, Parmesan, and parsley. Get that mixed. Get this all mixed and set it to the side. Next, I'm going to add my Italian sausage and my hamburger meat. Let that brown. Once you've browned and drained your meat, you're going to go in with your onion and your green peppers. Go ahead and add your seasoning. And add your sauce. Add a little brown sugar. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. Now let's assemble everything. We're going to start with our sauce at the bottom. Next, we'll spread ricotta. Add some cheese. And we're gonna just repeat the layers. Let your sauce and your cheese be your last layer. Once you have it covered with cheese, you're gonna cover and put it in the oven on 375 for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes out of the oven, I garnish with some fresh parsley. Don't that look good?